Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you a collection of fresh indoor plants for pots ideas and tips for choosing right pots for your decorative indoor plants ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. In the realm of home decor and design, the presence of indoor plants has become an increasingly popular trend. Not only do they bring a touch of nature indoors, but they also have a positive impact on our overall well-being. However, when it comes to displaying these green beauties, choosing the right indoor plant pots becomes crucial. So, whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or a novice looking to embrace the wonders of indoor gardening, we're here to guide you through the world of indoor plant pot ideas. In this video, we'll explore the best pots for indoor plants, share tips on how to decorate them, highlight ideal plants for potting, and provide insights into incorporating indoor plant pots into your interior decor. Join us on a journey of inspiration and exploration. What kind of pots are best for indoor plants? Selecting the right pots for your indoor plants goes beyond aesthetic appeal. It involves considering factors such as drainage, material, size, and overall functionality. Here are some popular pot types to consider. 1. Terracotta pots. Known for their porous nature and ability to regulate moisture, terracotta pots are excellent choices for plants that prefer drier conditions. 2. Ceramic pots. Offering a wide range of colors, shapes, and textures, ceramic pots bring an element of elegance to any space. They are suitable for a variety of plants and come in both glazed and unglazed options. 3. Hanging baskets. Ideal for small spaces or trailing plants, hanging baskets add a unique dimension to your indoor garden while maximizing vertical space. How do you decorate indoor plant pots? Decorating indoor plant pots is a creative way to infuse your personal style into your home decor. Consider the following ideas. 1. Paint and patterns. Add a splash of color or patterns to your plain pots by painting them or using decals. This customization can tie in with your overall design theme. 2. Macrame hangers. Elevate the visual appeal of your indoor plants by incorporating macrame hangers. These intricately knotted designs add a bohemian touch to your space. 3. Natural elements. Consider using materials such as twine, seashells, or driftwood to create a rustic or coastal look that complements your indoor plants. What indoor plants are best for pots? Selecting the right plants for your indoor pots requires understanding their growth habits, lighting requirements, and other environmental factors. Here are some popular choices. 1. Snake plant or sansevieria. Thrives in low light conditions and has striking vertical leaves. 2. Pothose or Epipremnumorium. Adapts well to various light levels and features trailing, heart-shaped leaves. 3. Spider plant or Chlorophytum comosum. Known for its arching foliage and ability to purify the air. 4. Fiddle leaf fig or Ficus lyrata. Makes a bold statement with its large, glossy leaves and prefers bright, indirect light. How to decorate the interior with indoor plant pots. Integrating indoor plant pots into your interior design can breathe life into any space. Consider the following tips. 1. Grouping. Create an eye-catching display by grouping pots of different sizes, shapes, and plant varieties together. This adds depth and visual interest to your decor. 2. Statement pieces. Incorporate larger, statement plant pots in prominent areas of your home to create focal points that capture attention. 3. Shelving and ledges. Utilize shelves or ledges to display a collection of plants, allowing them to cascade and create a dynamic, living art installation. Indoor plant pots not only provide a nurturing environment for your green companions, but also serve as decorative elements that elevate your home's ambience. From choosing the right pots to creatively decorating them and curating the perfect indoor plant selection, these ideas help transform your living space into a thriving oasis. At Homes Decor Designs, we believe that incorporating indoor plants and their beautiful pots is a transformative way to enhance your home decor. Let your imagination take flight as you explore the endless possibilities of indoor plant pot ideas and create a captivating sanctuary that truly reflects your personal style. Remember to visit our YouTube channel, Homes Decor Designs, for more inspiring content on home decor and design tips. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of fresh indoor plants for pots ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.